morning, dear Shem Stars. How are you all, students? I hope you all are safe at your home. Student, today we are starting with the new chapter, that is chapter number 9 with the exercise 9.1. Student, this chapter contains only one exercise. We have already studied about the basics of the trigonometry. Now it is the application of trigonometry. So the very first question of the exercise 9.1 is, a circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree. So students, as you can see, AC is the rope that was tied from the top of the pole to the ground, and it makes an angle of 30 degree with the ground. So what we need to find? We need to find the height of the pole. So here hypotenuse is given to us, one angle is given to us, and we need to find perpendicular. So we know that with the use of hypotenuse and perpendicular, we will get the T ratio sine theta. So hence sine theta will be equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. We will substitute the values, that is AB over 20 and sine 30 is 1 by 2. So on comparing the values, we will get AB as 10. Hence the height of the pole is 10 meters. Next, question number 2 is, a tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle of 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meters. Then find the height of the tree. So first let us make the figure for the same. So students, as you can see here, that complete AB is our tree. So let us consider its height as x plus y. So from this point C, due to storm, it bends, and that bending will become the hypotenuse for our triangle, and the point where its top touches the ground is at a distance of 8 meters from its foot, that is foot of the tree. So here clearly we are having the base, hypotenuse as well as the perpendicular we need to find. So we will be applying that trigonometric ratios in which we will be having the value of base and other we are going to find. So here first we have applied the secant theta and next we have applied the tan theta. So secant theta, secant is hypotenuse over base. Similarly tan is perpendicular upon base. So substituting the values of all these sides, we will get x upon 8 as 2 upon root 3 and y by 8 as 1 upon root 3. Next is to find the value of y and x. So x comes out to be 16 over root 3 on simplification and y as 8 over root 3. Now the complete height of the tree. So students, complete height of the tree will be given by x plus y. So that is 16 over root 3 plus 8 over root 3, that is equal to 24 by root 3, equivalent to 8 root 3 meter. So hence the height of the tree is 8 root 3 meters. Next, question number 3 is, a contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meters and is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground, whereas for the elder children, she wants to have a steep slide at a height of 3 meters and inclined to an angle of 60 degree to the ground. So what should be the length of the slide in each case? So here first we will consider the figure for the same. So as you can see, for the first case, that is for the children below 5 years, she need a height of 1.5 meter, which is inclined at an angle of 30 degree. So here we need to find x. So perpendicular is given to us. We have to find hypotenuse. So we are going to use sine theta. So substituting the values, we will get 1.5 upon x as 1 by 2, because sine 30 degrees is 1 by 2. On simplifying this, we are getting x as 3 meters. Hence the length of the slide for the children below 5 years is 5 meters. Next, for the children above this age, we will first draw the figure for the same. As you can see, the height required is 3 meters and the angle with the ground is 60 degree. So here we need to find y. So again we are going to apply sine theta. So sine is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So 3 by y is equal to root 3 by 2, because sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. So y is equal to 6 upon root 3. On rationalizing, we will get the value as 2 root 3. Further simplification, it is 3.464. I hope you have understood well how to apply trigonometry in the real life problems of such kind. So students, next two questions, that is question number 4 and 5, I am giving as a homework. So tomorrow we will be starting with the question number 6 and onwards. That's all for today, students. Do revise what we have done in the class. And if you have any query, please feel free to ask on the Google Classroom. Take care and have a great day ahead.